things that matter sa trip na to, kailangan matibay yung sasakyan. Reliability, dependability, and the quality.
God gave us this life. God gave us all of this to enjoy. Hi guys, welcome to this vlog, Things That Matter. Today we're going to Zambales off-roading with this rigs. There's 5 of us. Actually, dun sa off-roading na to will be shooting as well. Siyempre, hindi mawawala sa trabaho natin yung kasama yung shoot. But at the same time, we'll have fun off-roading. And we'll talk about later what are the things that matter when it comes to this. Actually, we're testing this 1997 Prado. And we'll see, we'll ask Aya Sam later what are the things that matter pagdating dito sa off-roading na to. Time check 10:21. Medyo delayed tayo ng konti. Nandito tayo sa Zambales, Castillao, Zambales. Medyo maraming delay, lalo na yung sa isang LC90. Medyo tumataas yung yung temperature. Kaya we'll see. Since ito naman talaga ang purpose nito, malaman natin kung may mga sira talaga to o may kailangan pang ayusin. We're here now going up to Sitio Bayarong in Barangay Buhawen, San Marcelino. Ito actually yung Dizon mining to itong dadaanan natin pupuntahan. Going to have some river crossing. Kaya tapos pataas yan, bato-bato. Hindi talaga maganda na yung road. So what we're doing now, we're doing an air down, bawas hangin, siguro mga 20 PSI para medyo mas kumakapit yung gulong. Ayan, si Boss Sam nagbabawas na ng hangin doon. And everybody. Normally may tools tayo pang air down. Pero pagka magaling kang mag-air down, tinan mo yung kay Boss Sam. Kay Boss Sam, nakakuha ng matulis na bato. Since walang gauge, air down siya per second, no? So magbibilang ka, since walang gauge kung paano mo malalaman kung naka 20 PSI ka, mano-mano,
35 seconds muna natin.
Sukatin 35 after 35 seconds. Update, we are on the way. Tapos na kami mag-shoot dun sa Bayarong, sa taas ng Mapanuepe Lake. Ngayon, papunta kami, tatawid kami ng Lahar. We'll cross the solar farm and then on the way to Payutput. Medyo yung mga natanggal na tornilyo lang dito sa FJ. Yan.
So, titingnan nyo muna kung saan kami tumaan kapag saka kayo sa mga.
Bababa na. Yahoo!
Wala gutom nyo, no?
sige. Diretso na lang. Diretso ka na. Diretso. Dahan-dahan lang, dahan-dahan ka niyan. Sige. Bawi. Sige. Kanan konti. Oh, kanan pa, wag ka kakaliwa. Sige lang, kanan muna. Sige pa. Sige. Oh, kaliwa ka na.
Passenger.
Sige.
Slowly. Okay. Pwede na?
Sige, diretso. Pakanan ng konti. Ay, kanan ka na.
Kanan na. More.
Sige, okay lang. Baba mo na lang. Sige, diretso lang. Teka, saka ka ulit. Okay. Woo! Oh, kaliwa. Sa kaliwa ka lang. Yan, sige. Left lang. Yan. So, guys, nakita nyo naman kung ano nangyari doon. Medyo basa na yung kalsada, kaya nagkaganto-ganto na tayo. So, importante may guide. Hop! Yeah! Okay na. Alalayan na lang kita kung sasabit. Sige. Hop! Hold. Tight eh. Kaya?
Left pa doon.
Left pa ng konti, Eko.
Kaya.
Sige, left pa. Kaya pa, left.
Sige, dada.
Hop! Okay, sige. Abante! Ayan na! Woo! Ay, may isa pa pala. Sige, abante ha. Dali mo na, abante. Hop, sandali ha. Hop, dahan-dahan. Sige, pasok. Sige. Kaliwa konti. Okay, sige, abante. Aray ko. Woo! Ay, ito, meron din ba to? Kumabit agad. Hindi nasasabit yan. Nasa kaliwa eh.
Dito pa.
Ayos. Ito si Chieftain Bernido yan. Ito ang prinsipe dito. Sino yung mga tenant mo dyan? Nangungupahan sa'yo?
Bali, caretaker ko rito yan. Pinilitso ko sila kayo, tinanong ko kung may ilan nagbayad.
May alay agad. Ito si Pastor Bal. May ano agad eh. I'm very thankful sa mga tao talaga dito. May kamote, may
Hindi mo ang bigay. Alay na kayo ko.
Samo, may ano tayo? May pinya. May alay agad eh. Ikaw pa yung may sticker na ganito talaga eh. Light trailer promise.
Malakas ang ano? Easy.
Panis, di ba? 1997 model. 1997 model, pare, pero panis, di ba? Pero mas panis ka sa kulong-kulong.
Oo! Boss, grabe tatlo. May load pa.
Pero kasi, yung kulong...
Good lang yung gumugulong.
Yung kulong-kulong kasi, may alalay na pa yun. May ginagano na pa. Yung pakang ginagano.
Pero dinadaan lalalim eh. Paano siya nalwa?
Ha?
Sanay na eh.
Bawal magminor. Bawal magminor. Dire-diretso yun.
Ano ka na?
Chiptin, ikaw lang mamigay nito. May bibigay ako sa'yo, dali. Ito yung hinihingi mo eh. Halika, halika. Ito request mo eh. Gusto daw niyang bathing suit eh. Ito para sa'yo ah. Wait lang, ayos lang.
Ayusin mo, ayusin mo.
Ganyan mabigay. Thank you siya nagbigay. May tag oh. Di ba yung ginagamit? Yung pakula-pula nanay o kaya tatay. Kala mo para sa'yo yan ha? Kailangan siguro oh. Tapos na tayo mamigay mga damit. Salamat sa nagbigay na very good, no? Yung mga damit na sana ganun pag namimigay. Yung damit na kahit ikaw mismo isusuot mo. Hindi yung damit na parang ano. So we're just thankful and the people are thankful. Lunch tayo. Tanggap. Lahat. Putik lang yan. Ayan, so malamok masyado eh. Hindi pa naman nabubugaw mga lamok dito. Yung lamok dito kahit bugawin mo, hindi lilipad. Anyway, medyo iba kami ng route kasi binuksan namin yung gate nung may etong lupa sa gilid kasi hindi po pwedeng dumaan dito. If you look at it, guys, look. Masyadong manipis. Delikado, masyadong mabigat yung mga 4x4. Actually, nakailandaan naman na ako dito. Nakailandaan na kami. Okay naman. Kaya lang, delikado yung umulan eh. So, time check. 5:55. Oh my gosh, 5:55.
555 na? Hindi nga.
Oo. Okay, 5:55. Tama nga ako. Medyo abutin tayo ng dilim sa lahar. Malupit pa naman sa lahar. Gagawa tayo ng sarili nating daan. But walang problema yan. Sa lawak ng lahar eh. I'm sure ang ending din naman yan eh. Doon din sa dagat.
Light trail lang, promise.
Oo, light trail lang naman to eh. So, ngayon nandito na kami sa Kamanggahan. After Payudpod, Kamanggahan na to. This is another village na we know. Even the pastor, isa sa mga pastors natin yan na tinutulungan. So, yun, sana andito sila. Normally, pag dumadaan ako dito, palaging nag-aabot ng mga saging-saging, guyabano, kung ano-ano inaabot niya magkakapatid dyan. Lalong madaling panahon, babalikan kita dito.
Ayun pala ako, Pastor, papasalamat ako sa pagbalik.
Amen, amen, amen. Babalik tayo, walang problema.
Magkakaroon ng kapilahan ko lang.
Maganda ba, Dan?
Maguntok mo ito.
Maganda ko ito. Maganda ah.
Napo.
At least may daanan ka na.
pumatag na.
Parang hindi naka 4x4 tong mga to. Good. Ayos. Ganito. Nagulat lang.
Bukasan sila ng paglang.
It's 7:40. Nakababa na kami, nakalabas na kami ng from Payudpod, Kamanggahan, tapos Santa Fe. Now we're here sa town ng San Marcelino. And we're heading to Botolan. Maganda doon sa Get Lost. Yeah, I'm excited to share that place as well. So we're just pumping some gas and see you in a bit. So we arrive at Get Lost. Napakagandang place dito sa Botolan. You can see yung kanilang mga tent and everything is ready already. Everything is ready para sa dinner, and time check, it's 9 o'clock and we just arrived. Ayun, medyo pagod na pare-pareho, masakit na katawan. But worth it, sobrang worth it, lalo na yung mga first time nakabiyahe dun sa area. Hindi pa kasi masyadong hindi talaga pinapasok ng mga turista. Yung place na yon is, for me, it's still sacred. Especially sa mga kapatid nating katutubo. Ito, mga katutubo na to. Medyo hindi masyado yan, lalo na sa dulo. But, mga pastor natin yan sa Zambales, sa Marcelino. And we're just thankful. Everybody's safe. Okay yung biyahe. Medyo naligaw ng konti nung nandun kami sa Lahar. Hindi na namin makita yung truck ng ibang kulong-kulong. But yeah, we made it. Wala namang masyadong nasira. May mga konting damage, pero pasok. Ayos yung LC90, dalawa. And definitely, yung ibang mga sasakyan, sulit na sulit yan, kaya-kaya. Yung Hilux, yung FJ, at saka yung LC200. So, yeah. Now, we'll have dinner. See you. Good morning! So, it's our second day here in Zambales. Andito tayo ngayon sa Get Lost. Get Lost. Talaga, you get lost. Actually, hindi siya mahirap hanapin, but you get lost kapag umupo ka na dito, tumingin ka dun sa dagat. Ito, tingnan natin tong dagat. Masarap dito mag-surf. Hindi ako marunong mag-surf. But I grew up in this place. I grew up in Zambales. And yeah, actually nobody wants this place before. Pero ngayon, ang dami-daming resort dito. Especially itong mga to, sila Miggy, yung may-ari, si Kay. They came from Manila and they fell in love in the place. Eh, sino ba naman hindi may in love dito, di ba? And then they start building this place. Ang ganda, ang ganda. So, welcome to this place, Get Lost. If you wanna relax in Botolan, sobrang galing. Artist to mga to, and they built this place na parang talagang this is their home na. So, what are the things that matter here? Maybe we'll hear it from Miggy a little bit later. Okay? Now, welcome to Get Lost. This is Miggy, the owner of Get Lost. Bro, ito basically itong vlog na to, ang title nito is Things That Matter. Okay. Of course, there are things that matters to you that don't really matter to me, but there will be times na talagang what matters to you, nai-enjoy ko din, and that's what matter to me as well.
Okay.
So what are the things that matter dito sa Get Lost?
I think the main reason we moved here would be what matters the most, di ba? It's nature. The sound of the waves, just feeling the ground,
Ang sarap magpaalang minsan, ano?
lalo na pag being in the city, my job was very stressful. Familiar ka nito, production.
Of course.
Diba? So,
Walang oras yun. Anytime
Wala.
they'll call you, kahit madaling araw.
ay nako, at saka,
Kahit weekend.
At saka, di ba yung mga file name na final na talaga?
Oo.
Yan.
Final.
Final. Ito na talaga yun. Di ba? So, yun. Very stressful. And it showed, no, sa sa skin ko, ganyan. Nagre-red, nagmamaga. So, when we decided to finally look for a place dito nga sa province, the main purpose was for my health. And I think that's how I got the girls to agree. Because it was for my health and they knew that, syempre, I wanted to see the kids.
How much improvement
Ay,
mula
very far.
nung ilang years na kayo dito?
Okay, ganito na lang. Just to give you an idea, my face maga-maga yan. Magang-maga, tapos may red. And then punta kaming derma, sabi ng derma, stress.
Okay.
So sabi namin sa derma, wala namang buhay na walang stress. Sabi niya, hindi, ganun talaga. But that's what you have. Anyway, pag pupunta kami dito, half a day.
Okay.
As if wala.
Wow.
As in, clear. Clear na clear. So, doon namin talaga nakita na kailangan na talaga. And it also helped my daughter kasi my eldest, actually she wrote about this sa newspaper. That she had problems with her mental health.
Okay.
This all just helped her put her mind at peace.
Anong mga activities ng kids dito?
Ay, surfing. Yung panganay ko, surfing. Yung pangalawa, natututo mag-surf. Singing. Guitar dyan. I think, yun yung pinaka-ano nila ngayon. Buhay nila.
Grabe, no? Sarap. Ang sarap lang tumingin sa dagat, wala kang ginagawa. Tunganga ka lang.
Correct.
Ramdam mo lang yung hangin. And that's it. The nature, the creation, everything. So, bro, thank you. Ganun lang kabilis. Salamat na marami. And thank you for having us here again. Hey guys! This is Sam Newson. Siya ang brain para dito sa trip na to. And we just wanna ask him some question pagdating dun sa mga bagay na mahalaga. What are the things that matter pagdating dito sa trip na to?
Okay, things that matter sa trip na to, kailangan matibay yung sasakyan.
Matibay kahit na ilang years old na to.
Actually, this is a 97 Prado na binili namin na medyo dilapidated na ni-restore namin. And then, syempre, hindi lang pang-show, pang-go rin. So, actually, this trip is a shakedown trip. This 97, we have two units, the beige one and the white one over there that we set up differently. Isa pang medyo heavy-duty off-roading, yung isa naman pang light-duty.
Yan yung difference pagdating dun sa bakit heavy duty at saka bakit light duty.
Actually, yung siyempre yung mga iba, preference nila is overlanding.
Okay.
Yung medyo simple-simple lang. Yung mga iba naman, medyo gusto nila may challenge.
Kagaya nung kahapon. Mix tayo kahapon eh.
Intermediate yung,
Yes.
yung trail natin kahapon, medyo minsan
Medyo kaya, ganon. Okay.
Pero yun, so importante is pag-set up ng vehicle, set up ng maayos na to make sure na kung umabot kayo na sa extreme cases, nakakayanin. Hindi yung nag-set up lang kayo na mukhang matapang pero hindi naman pumunta sa bundok or puro sayad or puro sablay. Yun.
So what are the things that matter, especially dun sa dalawang, subok na natin yung tatlo etong dalawang bagong setup.
Things that matter is kahit na it's an old car, yung powertrain niya, meaning say the engine and the suspension are well built. The cosmetic side, medyo bonus na lang yun. Pero because we set this up even for a car show, pati yung paint, pati yung finishing, pati yung upholstery, inayos namin. So those are the things that matter. Reliability, dependability, and the quality. So of course, we're from Wheel Gallery. We pa-plug ko na rin, shameless plug.
Of course,
We're Black
importante
Rhino,
yun. Oo.
Method race wheels and ROH wheels, Nito tires, Concept 1 wheels. And so, yan ang important sa amin. We walk the talk. So we go on trails and
Basically, ginagamit natin yung what you sell is what we use also.
Yes, yes.
And
It's
we can prove it na it works. And
it's also our R&D na
yes.
ginagamit namin yung produkto namin, yung binebenta namin. Kaya kilala namin yung produkto namin. From the tires to the wheels to the kind of cars that are available in the market para ma-experience talaga namin at mabigyan namin ng tamang advice yung customers.
Even the boys, yung mga nagwo-work sa company, they join us.
Yes, kasi they have to experience it themselves kasi yung binibenta nilang mga gamit, kailangan ma-experience nila. Hindi yung sabi lang nila tahimik yan, tires na yan. Pero hindi nila actually nagamit or sabi nila makapit. No?
Correct.
So this is also an opportunity for our sales team to actually have their own experience with our products so that they have confidence in selling our products.
One last question. Personal na konti. What are the things that matter to you personally?
Things that matter to me, especially after the pandemic, is not to take life for granted. To have a good relationship with my God and others. Dahil for the past few months, few weeks, some people just pass away na ganyan-ganyan lang na hindi mo na-expect. And hindi tayo ready minsan. So, what is most important to me is we have to live a life that anytime we're ready to meet our Maker. Na wala tayong kahihiyan. No?
That's
And
right.
so, yun, Pastor Alex.
Thank you, Sam. Siguro one last thing din. God gave us this life. God gave us all of this to enjoy. This matter to us here on earth. But one thing that really matter is eternity. We need to prepare for eternity. We need to invest in eternity. We need to prepare to meet our God. So hopefully, guys, these things matters to you as well. See you in the next vlog. God bless you.
And that's what matters most.
Yes. Thank you.